Welcome again sa anong video ng AU Vlogs. And for today's video, I will be reviewing this Skincerity product, which is the Poreless Maintenance. Bakit ako gumamit nitong Poreless Maintenance? So, basically, I have to rest from rejuvenating set dahil naka 2 months na ako, which is yung Beautiful Starter Kit ng Skincerity. If you haven't watched that, I will just include it sa description box para mapanood nyo, and sobrang dami kong ni-reveal doon sa product na yun. I hope na panoorin nyo before this para mas matunan nyo or what are the products or what are the things you need to take note in taking in or in applying products sa inyong mukha bago nyo siya bilhin, bago kayo gumamit. Yun yung mga must-haves sa inyong skincare. So, before ko siyang nagamit, actually, nag-break out ulit ako. Na siguro, yung hormones ko yun. Magkakaroon kasi ako nun. So, nagalit na naman siya as in maliliit. I will take you dun sa video, dun sa journey ko. Mamaya, ipatak sa inyo yung video how my skin looked like from day 1 hanggang, I think, day 5 or 6 using this product. Noong una kasi iniisip ko, is this because of mask? Kasi I've been using mask, syempre kasi sa work, as a medical technologist, we have to use mask as PPE protocol siya. So, kaso lang, hindi ko alam, umabot siya hanggang leeg. Ayan, meron pa akong marks. Tapos, yun. Tapos may one factor pa din that I will be reviewing is yung frozen collagen. Actually, hindi ko na siya i-take yung frozen collagen, and I will have a separate video for that, discussing yung mga reasons why I will not take yung frozen collagen anymore. So, let's start reviewing this product, Poreless Maintenance. Foremost, natanggap ko siya in this packaging. So, very simple. Pink, mayroon lang siyang title dito, Skincerity, Poreless Maintenance. Ito, Poreless Maintenance. And sa likod, it has introduction, description about the product, and the instruction. Yung product na to includes, so it includes number 1, it's a facial wash. It is the Poreless Gel Cleanser. One of the good thing about it is ang bango niya. As in, amoy babe siya. Pag inamoy mo siya, kahit hindi siya nakabukas, amoy baby talaga siya. Very mild yung scent niya. Next, it has yung Poreless Toner. Ayan. Also, it has 2 cute tubes. Ayan. So, the isang tube is ito. The Poreless Day Cream. Ayan. Araw. And then, this one is the Poreless Night Cream. Moon. So, pag umaga, syempre, yung araw. Pag gabi, itong moon. So, hindi ka malilito kahit ang cute nila. Sobrang cute. So, ano ba yung main ingredient nito? So, hindi ko na-discuss lahat. Pero, ang main ingredient nito, that's why it has that glow effect, or yung nakatulong siya sa pag-clear ng acne ko during the time, is that yung Centella asiatica extract. So, narinig ko na itong Centella asiatica. Actually, marami na nagre-review nito way back ilang years na. But then, I haven't tried it talaga. Ngayon ko lang siya na-try with Skincerity. And yung Centella asiatica is included sa kanilang facial wash, sa Poreless Gel Cleanser, and sa Poreless Toner. Centella asiatica works as soothing. Yun, parang nag-hydrate siya ng mukha mo. Kaya, nakatulong talaga siya sa paggaling nung mga acne ko during yung breakout ko. Basically, this set is not rejuvenating set. It is a maintenance set. So, pagkatapos nyong mag-rejuve set, you can use either this product or the glow up set ng Skincerity. But I opted to use this Poreless Maintenance. So, this Poreless Maintenance also has fruit extracts. Napakadami niyang extracts dito. And also, this toner has niacinamide. So, it helps in the process of lightening yung mga pigmentations. If you have marks, na because of the acne, post-acne marks. Yan. So this one is good for you, lalo na kung hindi ka naman nag-rejuve set o kung ayaw mo mag-rejuve set. So I think Poreless maintenance will work for you. With the day cream, so ang last time when I reviewed yung Skincerity Beautiful Starter Kit, sinabi ko sa inyo, if you have a sunscreen, ang hanapin niyo, it's either zinc oxide or titanium oxide or both. And this product has both. Yung physical blockers na zinc oxide and titanium dioxide can protect yourself or your skin from UV rays that goes through the dermis and na nagko-cause ng skin cancer and all those na mga hindi magandang bagay sa skin natin. But with this product, wala kasi siyang naka-indicate if ilan yung SPF niya. So, mag-use nito, nagpapatong pa ako ng a layer of thin layer of yung kanilang sunscreen kasi yun may naka-indicate na SPF. So, at least alam ko, wala namang masama kasi it is both good for your skin. And last one is itong kanilang Poreless Night Cream which has witch hazel. Ako na din ng witch hazel sa toner and ngayon ko lang siya nagamit. So that's it. So this product, Poreless Maintenance, is a must-have sa inyong skincare. You have to rest your skin after using rejuvenating set. And this product, I have used it just for 2 weeks. Tapos nag-switch na ulit ako sa isang rejuve set which is another new product from Skincerity which is the Clear Bomb. So I will be updating you again. I have a vlog for that para makita natin or ano ba yung epekto nito, maganda ba siya or hindi. So let's see. I will update you once I've finished using that. Thank you again, lovelies, for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click subscribe, click mo rin ang notification bell para maging update ka sa sunod kong vlog. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Once again, salamat sa panonood. I am A and this is You Love.